Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download 1xBet in iPhone India. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your settings. Once in settings, go to your name. Once in name, go to media and purchases. Go to view account. Once you get to view account, once in view account, go to country and region. Then go to change country or region. Then go to Cyprus. Once you see Cyprus, choose it and change the country or region. Once that is done, go back to your App Store, go to the search bar and type 1xBet. Then download your 1xBet app. That was all for this video.